Ecclesiastes 10:19. A feast is made for laughter, and wine make it merry, but money answereth all things. How are you today? I am about to make my favorite dish from PHO GRAND. It's Vietnamese, and this is one of my favorite dishes called 1802 on the menu. And this is my rice paper, and these are my rice sticks, and my spring roll oil or sauce, and all of this go together. This is just garlic for my steak, and here are some chopped veggies that's going to go inside my spring rolls. So already cooked, which was in here my rice sticks, and let me show you how I prepare my rice paper. Okay guys, so here is a rice paper. It is really humidity sensitive, so it kind of curled up a little bit, but you just take that same piece and you put it in water, submerge it. They prefer like warm water, so this is a little warm, and I just put it on a plate because I don't have like a mat, but I don't have one, so I just use a plate so that I can dissolve this, and then it'll get soft, and then I'll be able to put all of my veggies inside and roll them up. So I did have one that's already dissolved, and here it is, and that's how it look. And just dissolve like that, and we're gonna go ahead and begin to stuff it. So I am taking some of my veggies and beginning to line it. I've already did the lettuce. Since that's like the biggest and the bulkiest, I kind of put that first. Then I take a few of the cucumbers, and then I just kind of line them up however you want to. There's no rhyme or reason. You can do whatever you want to because this is yours. Then I take some cilantro, and I add it as little or as much as you like. And then I take my rice sticks, and I just kind of layer it here. And excuse that one finger, that's that gel nail that won't come off. It's a little sticky because usually you want to do these right after. Alright. And then I tuck the sides a little bit. I tuck both sides to continue to roll so that none of the filling will come out. And mind you guys, I personally like the vegan one. This is vegan. You can put anything in it. You can put shrimp, pork, whatever you like. But I just like mine's plain. Okay. Ta-ta! That baby is made. Okay, I'm going to go and do the next one. Okay guys, so I have officially just used the rest of my ingredients, and here's the first one, and we are going to roll this one, and we're going to be ready in just a moment to eat. And at 1801. I just put garlic, onions, salt and pepper, and a little soy sauce, and just letting them brown on all sides. But it's going to be so good. I can't wait to eat. Yummy. This is a quick dish. The prep is more time consuming, of course, than the actual cooking of the meal. Nice and juicy. And hey guys, here's my beef with a little bit of garlic and onions and fish sauce so that I can actually submerge it because it's really good. All of this kind of has little to no taste, But once you add that fish sauce, it becomes a delightful dish. And in just one moment, I will be doing all of that. Okay, guys, now for the best. And I got all of my authentic ingredients from the international store, South Grand. And oh my God, this is delish. You get all your international cuisine ingredients from here. Official entire meal. When I go to PHO GRAND, this is what I buy. And now I know how to make it myself. Yummy. Okay, loves. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So good. Okay, guys. At least I can go to the table and eat. See you loves next time.